The sixth tip to writing a cover letter is to include a paragraph about next steps or expectations. Avoid leaving the ball in their court to make the next move. For example, avoid writing something like, "You can contact me anytime," or "I look forward to hearing from you." Since the real goal of a cover letter is to get an interview, a great way to talk about next steps is to simply request an interview. Let them know that you will be following up with them on a certain day or before a certain time frame. This helps to reinforce your desire and shows your commitment to follow up, and don't forget to call when you promised. The day you choose can also be based on the time frame in which they may be hiring if you know the timeline. Oftentimes, a position will have a closing or end date when no additional applications will be accepted. Since it takes time to review applicants, a great time to follow up will be about 2 days after this deadline. If no deadline is listed, follow up in a few days. Also, respect weekends. If you send your information on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, Monday is not the appropriate day to follow up. Be respectful and persistent, but never be annoying.